Certainly not as intense and not as widespread, but definitely something that we're still going to be seeing as a chance today. And tell you why, look at the satellite radar imagery and notice what's up in San Francisco. You see kind of like that counterclockwise motion up there? Yeah, that is because that's where the area of low pressure is, and as that spins, guess what? We're still here at the tail end. So we're going to be the last to get at this. You know, sometimes San Diego doesn't even get any of those storms well to the north, so it's about time we get some of that action. Look at the satellite radar and you can see what's streaming across here in the last 3 hours. Still watching what's moving across the South Bay here, really from San Diego across the Strand to National City, Chula Vista, now going on. And sure enough, Jamul still seeing some of that rain that we were expecting around this time. There's the East County for you. Yes, definitely wet along the roads along the 8th there. Let's get to the 10 News Pinpoint Futurecast, 6:30. There you see some of that just lingering right around the South Bay. And then as we go to the lunch hour, you see it's kind of cleared up. But still, this is what I mean by just still a chance of some scattered showers as the day goes on. Even into the afternoon commute, this is around 5:30, but not widespread. Temperatures now 46 Kearney Mesa, Poway 43. Definitely up here, any moisture moving across right now as we're seeing, definitely snow because Mount Laguna is at 29. Julian at 30 degrees. Still going to be cool during the day, but very much like yesterday. And then it looks like things will start to warm up. Okay, look at this 7-day forecast. I know some of you cannot wait to throw a party this weekend because of the weather. I say get out, have a little breakfast at the, I was going to say Lanai, in the patio. Saturday, Sunday, 60s. Look at Sunday, Monday, low 70s.